So, beta, very good morning to all. Yesterday we were doing the work. We had done lesson number 2. Let's recapitulate the lesson. We have learned about our country, India, its location. It is in Asia continent. It is in the southern part of the Asia mainland, and about the islands we have learned that it has two group of islands. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are in Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea के अंदर है Lakshadweep Islands. Later on we read about the size. इसकी साइज जो है ये पेनिसुलर कंट्री है. पेनिसुलर कंट्री मतलब the country which has water on its 3 sides, जिसके 3 sides पे water होता है उसको हम पेनिसुला कहते हैं. तो India is a peninsular country because it has Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea and Indian Ocean on its 3 sides, and it has very large coastline also. 28 states और 8 यूनियन टेरिटरीज में बटा हुआ है हमारा इंडिया, और इसकी नेबरिंग कंट्रीज के बारे में भी हमने पढ़ा. नाउ टुडे, yesterday I told you to learn any 5 states and their capitals. Now can anyone tell the capital of Jharkhand? Write in the chat box, what is the capital of Jharkhand? Yes, I'm getting the responses. Good. Very good. Very good. Yes, Jharkhand की capital है Ranchi. Next, what is the capital of Sikkim? Sikkim. Very good. Gangtok. Yes. What is the capital of Bihar? What is the capital of Bihar? Very good. Patna. Patna is the capital of Bihar. Gangtok, Sikkim ki hai. It's okay. Now, capital of Assam. No, Jaipur is wrong, bache. Capital of Assam is Dispur. Okay, Dispur is the capital of Assam. So I told you to learn first 5. Now, next 5 you are to learn. Clear? Tomorrow I am going to ask you next 5. So now, next we will do this is the about the union territories. हमारी union territories के बारे में भी यहाँ बताया हुआ है. We have 8 union territories. They have different capitals also. Union territories के साथ ही capitals लिखी हुई हैं. So now we are to do back exercise. So first of all, fill in the blanks are there on page number 12. Open page number 12 of your book. Write in the chat box also. First one is, India is the dash largest country in area. Area का पूछा बेटे, area wise. 7th की स्पेलिंग रॉन्ग है बच्चे. 7th आपको नंबर्स में नहीं लिखना बच्चे, वर्ड्स में लिखना है. SEVENTH. 7th. ओके, 7th आना है, नॉट सेकेंड. सेकेंड तो बेटा पॉपुलस कंट्री है. ओके, इंडिया इज द सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट पॉपुलस कंट्री. सो 7th इज द करेक्ट आंसर. आई विल शेयर द screen also later on, but I want that you should do it yourself. Next is Chennai is the capital of dash. Very good. Tamil Nadu का T small डाला हुआ है बच्चे. You should write in capital Tamil Nadu. Tamil का T capital, Nadu का N capital. Tamil Nadu is the correct answer. Are you writing side by side? Sunita ma'am, please check. Are they writing?
Yes, ma'am. Some of them are writing and some are sitting.
Bete, those who are sitting, I am going to check your books after this class. I will tell you to show your books in front of the camera, then you have to show it. Okay? So write down side by side. Third one is, Dash is the smallest state of India in area. Area wise smallest state is Goa. Good. Write in capital, Sandeep. Next is, there are dash states and dash union territories in India. Good. 28 and 8. Clear? 28 and 8. Dash is the capital of India. New Delhi. Delhi का D small नहीं डालो बच्चे. New Delhi is the capital of India. Good. Next, B part is match column A with column B. मध्य प्रदेश की कैपिटल आपको लिखनी है. Let me show you the screen. यहाँ पे बेटे, just a minute. Here one, यहाँ पे problem है बच्चे. You are to write 8 here, okay? Here you are to write 8. Let me write it for you. Make correction. This is 8. Okay, it's not 9, it's 8. Clear? So now, मध्य प्रदेश को मैच करोगे आप भोपाल से. मिजोरम, आइजॉल, पंजाब, चंडीगढ़.
Ma'am, here is Mizoram.
Mizoram, beta, it is towards the northeast states. 7 states हैं northeast वाली side पे. Mizoram lie there. You must see the map. Okay? Map जब देखोगे ना, then you will come.
Ma'am, उसी जगह पे जहाँ सिक्किम वगैरह है.
Yes, सिक्किम से आगे है बच्चे. Okay? अरुणाचल प्रदेश, असम, उसके पास में. Clear? It touches its boundary with Myanmar. म्यांमार जो है ना नेबरिंग कंट्री, उसके साथ इसकी बाउंड्री टच होती है. नेक्स्ट, राजस्थान, जयपुर एंड गोवा, पणजी. गोवा की कैपिटल जो है दैट इज पणजी. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, ट्रू फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट्स आर देयर. I have put tick cross because some students are writing T and F, or formation is same, so sometimes students get confused. So that's why I have used tick cross. You can write either true false, या तो पूरे spelling लिखो या फिर tick cross करो. Okay? First one is, India is located in the continent of Africa. Wrong. False है ये. Okay, tell me, In which continent does it lie? कौन सी कॉन्टिनेंट में लाई करता है ये? ओके, फॉल्स हो गया. यस, एकम, गुड. इट लाइज इन एशिया कॉन्टिनेंट. गुड. नेक्स्ट, the southernmost point of Indian territory is Indira Point. Is it true or false? True. True है, क्योंकि जो इंदिरा पॉइंट है दैट इज द सदर्न मोस्ट पॉइंट. अगर हम इंडियन मेनलैंड की बात करें तब ये फॉल्स हो जाएगा. क्लियर? अगर इंडियन टेरिटरी की बात कर रहे हैं देन इट इज करेक्ट. थर्ड वन इज द लार्जेस्ट स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया इज उत्तर प्रदेश. फॉल्स. जो राजस्थान है दैट इज द लार्जेस्ट स्टेट. उत्तर प्रदेश देखने में बड़ा लगता है लेकिन राजस्थान इज द लार्जेस्ट. ओके, यस, इट्स राजस्थान. वेरी गुड. राजस्थान का आर कैपिटल डालो बेटे. फोर्थ, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in the Arabian Sea. False. क्या करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट आनी चाहिए बच्चे? The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in Arabian Sea की बजाय yes, Bay of Bengal. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in Bay of Bengal. Very good. Fifth one is the coastal boundary of India. Length of island is 8,100 kilometer.
बंद गिनने में बस.
यार मैंने नहीं बढ़ाया था, मेरी कसम.
बेटे keep yourself on mute mode. सुनीता मैम प्लीज म्यूट कर दो इनको. This is
अड्डानी भी क्या कहना तेने, मेरी कसम.
तू पैर क्रॉस की.
नहीं, अड्डानी हुंदा है भी.
please mute the children.
Sonali ma'am, please repeat.
Yes ma'am.
No ma'am, I think you called me, that's why.
Yes, I think just to mute them. So please mute. Some of the students are creating disturbance. Please mute the children, ma'am. Mute all करके फिर मुझे unmute कर देना. So in this way, the coast length of India is 7,517 kilometer. So this is wrong statement. Clear? So in this way, you should write back exercise in your book. Let me ask from you, have you written? So now it's time to recapitulate. You people will write in the chat box whether this is right or wrong. Okay. The next, first is define continent. Ma'am, please एक बच्चे को unmute करो so that he or she can raise your hand, बेटे. Those who know, so that Sunita ma'am can unmute you. What is continent or define continent? Rest of the students write in the chat box. Yes, one student. सुनीता मैम प्लीज किसी बच्चे को अनम्यूट करके. एकम unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes बेटी, what is continent or define continent?
One of the 7 large pieces of land on the Earth's surface.
Yes.
That is called continent.
Okay. Actually, continents are the huge land masses. The large land masses on the surface of the earth are called continents. Okay? जो बड़े बड़े लैंड मासेस हैं अर्थ के ऊपर उनको हम कॉन्टिनेंट कहते हैं. देयर आर 7 कॉन्टिनेंट्स. Clear? Okay, one of the 7 large pieces of land on the Earth's surface are called continent. Good. Next is yes. Madhvi, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the sentence. Then fill the
Is a part of Asia continent.
very good. India is a part of एशिया कॉन्टिनेंट. अब इसमें बताओ एशिया स्मॉल आएगा या कैपिटल आएगा बेटे?
मैम ए कैपिटल आएगा और बाकी सारे स्मॉल.
वेरी गुड. गुड. नेक्स्ट वन इज name 2 group of islands of India. Name 2 groups of island of India. Anyone else? सरगुन, आपकी टर्न आ चुकी है बेटे. सरगुन. मयंक दत्त. मयंक, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. You are to tell the 2 group of islands.
The 2 groups of islands are Andaman and Nicobar Island in the Bay of Bengal and Lakshadweep Island in the Arabian Sea.
Very good. Andaman and Nicobar Islands in Bay of. आपको सिर्फ islands पूछा गया तो you are to write Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Number 2, Lakshadweep Islands. Clear? Next is there are dash states and dash union territories in India. Vivek. Vivek, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, 8 union territories.
Vivek, speak loudly, बच्चे. Yes. Speak, bete. There are dash states.
Ma'am, I can speak.
Huh?
Ma'am, 8.
28
Ma'am, I can speak.
states and 8 union
Ma'am,
territories.
I can.
Okay. Next one is Anmoldeep Singh. Dash is the capital of India.
Excuse me.
Anmoldeep Singh.
New Delhi.
It's New Delhi. New Delhi is the capital of India. Good. चैट बॉक्स में भी लिखो बेटे, साथ में जिसको मैं बोल रही हूँ ना अनम्यूट करने के लिए वो भी फिर बताए. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट इज okay, now next, who will tell which ocean lies to the south of India? Which ocean lies to the south of India? Write in the chat box. Write in the chat box. Very good. Indian Ocean. Good. Chapter is clear to everyone? सब बच्चों को chapter clear हो गया? Show me your thumbs up if chapter is clear. Yes, very good. Some students are writing in the chat box also. So in this way, your chapter